It's time to clean this pool filter. First, turn off the pump. Then close any valves going back to the pool. Then open the air release to release any pressure. And unscrew the lid. Yuck. Then release the drain cap to drain the filter. And take out the cartridge. Then use a high pressure nozzle or a cartridge tool to clean the cartridge. Use a cartridge tool to clean the inside of the cartridge plates. Then rinse the cartridge one more time with a high pressure nozzle and one more time with no nozzle on the hose. Now it's time to put the filter back together. Lastly, turn the pump back on and make sure the air release valve is open so the air can escape. When there is no more air in the filter, close the cap. All clean. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.